And here are a few benefits of using Fabric. So Fabric has far evolved from just being a BI solution behind the scenes to now being an end-to-end analytics solution for different workloads that you might want to do, such as the previous use cases that I just touched upon, right? And with the advent of OneLake, which is a single unified storage layer for all your data needs, it eliminates data silos, it eliminates disparate data sources, it eliminates the need for different copies of data between different departments and different organizations. Maybe there's a parent, or a sister company that you own, or a parent-child relationship that exists in your organization, and all your departments and all your people within your organization can use one singular copy of your data that resides in OneLake, and they could process that data in any way that they see fit. And with Copilot being introduced last year, Copilot is now integrated with all of your workloads in Fabric, meaning if you wanted to actually have data engineering workload configured, you could talk to Copilot in just English, and it'd give you the code snippets that you need, or it would even automate that process behind the scenes if it's possible. If it's just a simple task behind the scenes, and it'll build up the task flow that's required for you to maybe send out an email to your higher executives after a specific process is complete, and it makes sure it automates that process through Copilot as well. The other added advantage is there are basic foundational models available in AI, which you could typically use for your forecasting needs. But if you also wanted to custom model your data and you're very heavily invested in your AI space, you could do that as well. The other benefit to migrating to Fabric is it's highly secure, and governance is made a lot easier with Fabric. Just because it now easily integrates with Purview, you don't have to scan your data every, as and when necessary. Microsoft Purview automatically scans it and provides scanned reports to you on who accesses which layer of the data, and it also provides, it also trickles down the sensitivity labels between your workloads. So anything that carries any data flow that carries PII information can automatically be gauged and also be restricted or masked behind the scenes. And it also trickle down to all your workloads that you configure downstream to share the data to either the marketing team or the sales team and so on and so forth. Based off the licensing model that I just spoke about, Fabric is more cost effective because it's not just a BI platform, it's an intuitive data platform, and it all provides multiple workload options, multiple compute options for you at a lower price point than other tools out there in the market. And the other added benefit is, it's highly scalable. So if you only have a small amount of workloads in your company for Fabric, and you also wanted to start off really small, you could start off with a smaller capacity and scale as needed. So when more data comes into Fabric and then you wanted to automate those workloads, you could switch to a higher capacity based on that and right size your capacity based on your organizational needs as well.